Alright guys, so for today's video, I will be teaching you how to play Crypto Legions, that app. I will be showing to you how to buy warriors, how to buy bees, how to cash out, how to withdraw, how to deposit, what do you need. Everything that you need to know about this game will be into this video, okay? So of course, if you haven't subscribed in our channel, do not forget to subscribe. This is Crypto Addict here, and let's just start. So in my case, I do have two teams now. I did buy one more because I feel like I just want to buy one more. Okay, so in Crypto Legions, okay, this is the official website of the game. Okay, so this is an NFT game. Okay, so they learn from Cryptoblades as what I see. Also, ayan, everything is complete. You'll be able to see as well how much money probably, or how many days will you get your ROI on here. So basically this is how it works. So let's start first here. Let's say you just want to start with $100, and let's put on the usual level, okay, and let's say your skill strategy is on the average, okay, and if you're just reinvesting like really little or nothing, okay, you just keep on tipping, you'll be getting 75%. So more likely 75% a month you'll be able to get it. But of course, if you reinvest it after 1 month, you already double it, because I will be showing it to you later, okay? So let's go forward inside this platform, okay? So if you click this one, display, okay, you will be able to see this. So this Nadodo, okay, you'll be able to see that there is a tax here. Okay, there's a tax, okay. If you sell, there's 20%, so it goes back to this it goes back to the liquidity pool. Also the reward, the reserve pool is healthy as being seen here. And also there's some instructions that you can see as well here. So if you have like an achievement, okay, you'll be able to see it as well here. But of course, I will be teaching you how to buy BLST. So just for you to be able to buy BLST, okay, I'm not sure if it is being seen here. I will be adjusting the screen for you guys, okay. You can click this one. It is on the left side, and then let's go back again. So let's zoom in rather. So just import it, connect your wallet. This is just how easy it is, guys. So connect your wallet and then convert your BUSD or any tokens that you have to BLST. Okay, because that's how you will be able to buy NFTs, to buy things inside this platform. Alright, so just swap how much money you want to start. Maybe you can start for $50, $100. It is your choice, okay. But here, if you're going to go back here, okay, you can buy here at the market section. Let's say you already have BLST, okay. So let's click this one, okay. You'll be able to see all of the available deals in here, guys. So you can also filter this one. You want to filter with, let's say, lowest money. Let's say you are in a budget, you can do this. Also, you can filter it with the highest money, highest. Of course, I think you'll be able to get this good deal already. So this has only 658 AP. I think this one is good, 9.50 BLST for 869 AP. You can also find other deals. I think this one is a steal for me, okay. And if you're going to copy the contract address of this one, and we go back to let's say Coingecko, because I think Coingecko is a lot more accurate in my opinion. So let's search for BLST. You can actually see it directly here. Okay, this is the current price. Of course, it deep, but since they are doing this healthy stuff, we just really do not mind. Okay, so let's say here the price is, let's say, 10 BLST. So that's just $5, guys. That's just $5. So you can build this one. Make sure that you build a legion. So you can build your legion here. So make sure that you build a legion, and when you hunt, okay, you surpass this minimum AP. Okay, so this is what you need to know here. Okay, the higher the AP is, a much more profits that you'll be able to gain as well. Much more profits. Okay, so you can see, of course, this goes down into this, but of course, if you have a stronger legion, you can also try to hunt this one, right? So there's a lot of people that there's a lot of what they call that, monsters that you can hunt. Okay, you can hunt this one, you can hunt this one, right? There's even an invisible here. Actually, if you hunt this and you win, you just got 15,000 USD. So crazy, guys. If you want to do it, I'm not going to what they call that, stop you for that. You can try to beat these people or beat these monsters. Okay, but let's go back first. Okay, how to create your legion. So let's say you have an available warriors, you have your available piece. Just click directly here, and then just click approve the transaction, and then you're just going to add every single one of warriors and beasts in here. Okay, so there's a gas fee for the first time that you do it, but after that you're just going to compile all your warriors and beasts, and then you can make a really strong legion. In my case, this is my name. My name is Crypto Addict. Of course, why not? So this is the AP that I have. So it's good. Of course, it's good. So after you've already done with that, okay, you can just now proceed into the hunt section. This is the hunt section, and then try to beat monsters here, guys. So I will be adjusting it again. So here you'll be able to see I can fight this Renard. I can also find this Lakodol, but I'm not sure if I feel lucky today. Maybe I'm going to fight this Renard. I think I don't want to be much more greedy, so I'm going to click the hunt. So of course you need to pay a small gas fee for this one, as what I've mentioned before. So just click the confirm. Okay, so you see that there's like a picture here. Your legion is now attacking the monster. Okay, so of course there's two transactions here. So after that, for you to be able to reveal the result, you need to approve it again. So there will be a button here. So let's just wait. Oh, okay. Transaction failed. Let me do it again. I think I have a low amount of gas fee, if I'm not mistaken. Let me just check it, okay? I think this is already good. I'm going to make it 300,000 because that's how it works. And then of course, do not forget to what they call that. Do not forget to save or put, let's say, $20, $30 for the gas fee. Okay, so you can see here, I can now, or let's reveal the result. Okay, so let's just wait for that loading to be finished. I think it's already finished. Okay, so okay, you can see that it's insufficient funds. So the next thing that we need to do here is, of course, we need to convert some of our BUSD. Let's convert this into a BNB. So I think this is a lot. This is already good for me. So I'm going to just swap this one, because why not? You can freely do that anytime. So of course, let's just wait, and then let's go back here. Where is it actually? I think this is it. Okay, this one. So now we have already some BNB. We can now click the result again. Okay, so I think that's the correct gas fee for this one, 300,000. That 300,000 gray. So this is the gas fee. So let's just click the confirm. So luckily the price of BNB right now is so low, so you will just really pay small amount of money. Okay, so in here, as you can see, I did not succeed in getting bloodstone from this monster, but of course that's part of it. Okay, that's part of it. Okay, and if we're going to go back, there's a hunt history in here. Okay, so you'll be able to see what they call that, the monsters that you've beaten. Okay, so there's two monsters that I've beaten before, and then I lost this one, and then I lost this one. I lost like the game last night, and I also lost the game today. So that's part of it. I'm not sugarcoating. Let me just adjust it for you guys again. So this is how much I've won already. So actually it's really awesome because the BLST is adjusting. Okay, and let's say for this instance I won 26 USD. The good thing here is that it doesn't adjust. Okay, even though like the price goes down or the price goes up, I mean this is still the same amount that I make. So that's why I'm not joking, guys, that when I say I make around 1,000 pesos or $20 plus a day, it is really legit, and this is actually going to prove it, because you see here, this is the date, this is the date, this is the time, this is the time, and also this is what I battle. I lost, I win. So later on, I think it will appear here as well into the hunt history. I think it is pretty much delayed, but of course let's go forward into the white paper. Okay, so they have an omnibalance oracle, so they call it Nadodo. Okay, so other pay-to-earn games suffer economic catastrophe. So let me just adjust it for you guys as well, so that you will be able to read it. So it says Crypto Legions is protected against that tragic fate. So Nadodo, the revolutionary omnibalance oracle. Okay, so they are presenting a sustainable economy for long-term players. Okay, so the BLST rewards when you are hunting monsters are pegged to the USD currency. So you will always have the same reward for the same monsters. So that's why I told you guys the book. Okay, so you see the price of BLST goes down, but since Nadodo is working, okay, they adjusted the bloodstone that I can claim. This one, it just got adjusted. Okay, so whether it goes up, whether it goes down, it automatically adjusts. So in terms of like if you're going to be late, it's not going to happen in here. Okay, currently at this moment. Okay, but of course this is the thing that I also like about this game. But of course, if you want to make more, like what I've told you, especially in other play to earn games with which I've made a lot of money, like Cryptoblades, you really need to get in early because you are rushing against time in here. You want to get the ROI as fast as possible too, but it's your choice. If you want to reinvest, you can always feel free to do that, because if you do that too, you will be getting more, because let's say here the 1 month is at 201%, but of course if you are not reinvesting, you're still getting this amount of money. Okay, so of course they do have a tax. So let's say you withdraw, okay, this tax will be deducted and it will go back to the reward pool. And of course, if the reward pool needs replenishment, it imposes higher taxes. And of course, it lowers the taxes if the reward pool grows. Okay, so actually this one is really awesome for me, because you know, there's too much things that they've worked on into this one that I never seen with Cryptoblades. I'm not like some sort of like a BS, but I didn't see it before, just to be really honest with you guys. And of course you will be able to see these more datas in here, right? It goes back to the liquidity, buy tax, sell taxes, and these are like the average percentage in terms of taxes if you are interested on this one. Okay, so there's too much taxes, but I think this is also good in terms of this is for the sustainability for the game, guys. Okay, do not worry, actually just be more supportive on this one, because most P2E games right now are facing a problem in terms of sustainability. So if this proven correct, you can see there's a lot of people that are going to copy this. I'm going to tell you guys. And definitely here, there's only 5 million allocation of token. So in Cryptoblades, you see that if you got a skill, you can just hold on it, and let's say if it goes up, you'll be able to make more money. But in here, since BLST is pegged to USD, you'll be getting a USD value. But of course, if it goes up, you're getting more lesser BLST value. But of course, if it goes down, you will get more BLST in here. So this actually differs from time to time. This what you can claim from here. Okay, so actually you can just like click this one. So this is how you'll be able to make money. Okay, so let's say here, you're about to claim 108 BLST, which is $51. You will pay 38.94 BLST and only receive $33 in your wallet. But if you wait for the next 20 days, you'll be able to claim it tax free, so you won't pay any taxes. So there's a disclaimer in here, but of course I'm not going to claim it, because if it is already pegged, it doesn't make sense to TP at all. Why just not wait for the 20 days to what they call that, to end, right? So just continue playing, you know. That's what I'm trying to say. And of course they have Allegiance University in here. Okay, so there's a lot of things going on in here. How to create legions quickly, how to optimize your attack power, how to hunt monsters faster. So this is more like the massive hunt there. How to optimize your hunt, okay, how to claim, how to speed up tax decrease, how to reinvest, what are the impacts of it, everything is in here. What are the basics and stuff. So you feel free to go into the tips and tricks section of Crypto Legends. Okay, I will be making more videos for today. I will also give you an update about Crypto Legends, so that you'll be able to see, and you'll be able to compare if you want to play or not, because in my case, I'm just going to play it all day for me. And also, you're just going to play it once every day. It doesn't even consume your time for me. Okay, so That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you like this content. Do not forget, this is Crypto Addict, and see you guys on the next video.